Alright, today we are looking at a set of Bose QuietComfort Ultra headphones, and we're going to do a headband installation or replacement. Okay, pre-installation for the headband on the QC Ultra headphones. You look at the back of the headband and you can see it's got a plastic frame. You're not really paying any attention to the stuff in the middle. You're actually paying attention to what's on the side here. There is an edge right here, up to there on both sides, and that edge is what clips underneath all of these plastic clips that you see here on the headphone. Right there, there's a little tooth right there all the way around.
Monty says, test your headphones now. Scan the QR code or use the link to sign up and test your headphones.
So, to get the headband off, you're going to need to get your removal tool. You're going to use this flat edge here. You want to put the headphones on the table like so, and all you want to do is grab here, and you want to create a gap. So right now you can't really see it that well, but what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try and pull on the leather here, and I'm going to create a gap there that I can fit that blue tool in, and then I'll be able to pry it open or push it open. So I'm just going to do that. I got a gap, put that in, and I'm just going to go around like so. Pushing on this. And once you get enough, you can just pull it right off. Like that. Okay, so we have the back of the headband here. You want to pay attention to this edge. So from this point to this point, there's a little edge, plastic edge right here. Right there. And that plastic edge snaps onto these plastic teeth underneath the headphone. There's a little tooth right on the side of each one of these that it clips into and stays on. So, although it's quite easy to attach it, you just have to align the one side like that. So that bottom part there is in. And then I'm going to just align it like so into place. I'm just going to go up like this. And you're just going to hit clicking in, and it might come off alignment. You just have to put it back into alignment. You can also extend the headphones so you have a bit more space. And let's see. You do need to use about medium force, so I'm pushing. Go. You will need to go around and make sure it's all clipped in. And when it gets to the edge here, you do have to squeeze quite a bit. It's much more, it's only plastic anyway, so you're not going to really break anything because you're just pushing straight onto it. But it is quite hard to snap those ones into place compared to these ones here. These ones go in pretty easy, as you saw. But these ones here I had to push quite a bit. But as you can see, that's it. That's all. And it is quite straightforward and quite easy. Okay, one thing you do need to be mindful of is on the headband, right in the middle, you can see here that it bends. It's actually two pieces. So there's one piece here, there's one piece here, and they're actually like not connected. So what can happen is they can go over top of each other like that. You can't really see it that well there, but you can get it so that one piece goes under the other one when you're trying to install it, or one piece goes over, one piece goes under, etc. So you really need them to be beside each other like this so they're even, and not like that. So So you might notice when you install the headband that in the very middle section there might be like a little bit of an issue, and when you see that issue, it's because that piece of plastic is actually not in the correct position. So you have to play around with it a bit, making sure that it's flat. So you might need to use your tool and move that spot off again, and you can see right here on the headband that it's not even. So I need to get that piece there even with that one there. So you can see here there's a bit of a gap right there. As I explained earlier, that is the plastic that's not aligning. What I did to fix this was, all I did was pop it back out. I want to snap on the side parts and then just push it into the middle, and it will align again. Sometimes it might not, but if you try to do it like this, it doesn't always go in perfectly. So what I found worked best is if you do the sides first and then the middle there, and then it's fine.